Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're like me, managing a family budget can feel like herding cats. Between soccer fees, groceries, and those sneaky subscriptions, keeping track is tough. That's where an app like Rocket Money comes in. Today, I'm sharing the best Rocket Money practices that actually work for my family. No fluff, just straight to the point on how we use it to stay on track. 1. Link all the accounts. Teamwork makes the dream work. My first and most critical practice is to link every single family account. I mean checking, savings, joint credit cards, the works. First-person experience. When I first started, I only linked my primary checking account. Big mistake. My partner's card was still getting hit with purchases I wasn't tracking, and our overall picture was blurry. The practice, now that everything is linked, we get a single, unified view of our entire financial life. This is especially key for the net worth tracking feature, which helps us see our long-term progress with all our assets and debts in one dashboard. For families, this transparency is everything. 2. Aggressive subscription management, the hidden drain. You know how quickly those subscription fees add up? For families, it's brutal. Rocket Money's best feature, in my opinion, is its subscription detection. The practice, commit to a monthly subscription audit. I go into the app once a month and review every recurring charge. First-person experience, I was shocked to find we were double paying for 2 different cloud storage plans. And that free trial for a kids' learning app? It had turned into a full-blown monthly charge. We used the app's cancellation service for the ones we didn't need. It's a huge time saver and instantly frees up cash that can go toward our shared savings goals. 3. Unlimited budgets for family categories. Get granular. The premium membership's unlimited budget categories is a must-have for family budgeting. It lets you get super granular on where your money is going. The practice, don't just budget for groceries. Break it down. We use categories like family needs, bills, mortgage, insurance, fixed, essential. Kid expenses, school fees, activities, variable, but important. Discretionary eating out, the most likely area for overspending. First-person experience, by setting a strict budget for kids' sports/activities and tracking it in real time, we realized we were massively overspending. Being able to see that red bar pop up in the app halfway through the month was the wake-up call we needed to cut back on an extra class. It's all about creating specific, actionable limits. 4. Automated savings for family goals. Pay yourself first. Saving for big family goals, like a vacation or college fund, can feel impossible. Rocket Money's automated savings plan, or what they call financial goals, makes it painless. The practice, I set up a few distinct savings goals directly in the app. The key is using the Smart Savings option, which analyzes your cash flow and automatically moves small, safe amounts of money into your savings goal account every few days. First-person experience, because the transfers are small and happen automatically, I barely notice the money is gone, but the savings goal balance steadily grows. It turned we should save for a trip into a tangible, ongoing process without me having to manually transfer money and forget. It's truly setting your savings on autopilot. 5. Account sharing and bill negotiation, the financial tag team. Finally, if you're managing finances with a partner, use the account sharing feature, a premium feature. The practice, my partner and I can both log in and see the exact same real-time data. This eliminates the "did you pay that?" or "where did that money go?" conversations. Shared visibility equals shared responsibility. Bonus tip, don't forget the bill negotiation feature. We used it to try and lower our cable and internet bill. We saved about $20 a month, which we immediately rerouted to our automated savings goal. Small wins, big impact. So, those are the 5 Rocket Money practices that moved our family from financial chaos to control. It's about using the tools for full transparency, aggressive subscription management, detailed budgeting, and automated savings. If you're looking for a simpler way to manage the financial whirlwind of family life, I highly recommend checking out these best practices. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.